Hi friends, this is second video on array. I will also upload the presentation slides on array as well. So before that, this video is for you. In the previous video, we are learnt about array. That is, what is array, how indexing is done, how to declare the array, how to instantiating the array. Likewise with example as well. So in this video we are going to move toward next part of array, that is array literals. If you know value of an array at compile time, use this syntax. Okay, so in the compile time you can have the value of array. If you know that I have to declare a 5 size of array, 10 size of array is there, then you can use this syntax to declare that array. Okay, you can put directly size into the curly brackets as well. It is the int data type. This is bracket sign which shows you are declaring the array, and this is this name of array as I am taking here score. Okay, now accessing array element. Every element has index as I told you previously. Without index we cannot declare that array. Okay, and we also cannot confirm that size of array. So yeah, indexing is most important part in array, and we can access the array element using this index. Index start from 0 as I have said, 0, 1, 2 and 3. This is the index size of array. And what about negative? This is the length of array. If you are taking length from right side, then this is -1, -2, -3 and -4. Okay, and if you are starting length from left side, then it will be 0, 1, 2, 3 as well, same as that of the indexing. Okay, now how to initialize the array? Look friends, declaration and initialization both are two different things. Without initialization we cannot call that array. Only by declaration the thing is not completed. If you have only created the size and memory of array but you have not initialized that array in your code, then how it will work? Likewise. Okay, so initialization is more important here. For example, int type of array we have taken here for the name score. New int of size 5. It means 5 is size of my array. Okay, this syntax is you can use at the time of initialization. And this is the name of array, score in bracket 0 is equal to 15. What I have done here, I have assigned the 15 value to the index 0, means here 15 will store. Okay, so likewise you can take the value for 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. Same syntax you can write again and again to assign the various values into the array. Okay, now what we have done here, actually the answer is, firstly we have created the size of array 5 as I have told you, and secondly we have set the value of element at index 15. It means 15 value at index 0. Okay, now how to calculate length of array? This is int bracket score is equal to new int is equal to in bracket 10, end it with semicolon. System.out.length function we can use to take the length of array. In bracket we can print the length of array is equal to, and plus you can add here score.length because the of which array we have to calculate the length for score array. So hence we have written here score.length, and here the addition sign is necessary to get the length from that array. Okay, so yeah, this is the array pattern. This is the next part of array. I will create the next video on this part as well, how to defining the array. So yeah, I hope you have understood the today's topic, how to written and accessing the array element, how to initialize, and how to calculate the length of array. Okay, so yeah, that's it in this video. Thank you. Do watch, share and subscribe my video, friends.